With the settings we will use, you will get the perfect camera setup for a third-person game such as, for example, Valheim. First, let's change your crosshair image from the simple square dot in the last video to an actual cross. The transparent PNG file I am using is linked in the description. Drag the crosshair texture into the content browser to import. Then open up the WB_crosshair widget from last time. Select the image widget. Then in the details panel open brush and select our new texture. Change the size to 10 by 10. Then compile, save, close the widget. We make our changes on the camera boom, which is a spring arm component. If you're not careful, making random changes to your camera settings and spring arm settings, you can quickly get in a real mess. If that happens, just reload the default third-person project and copy the camera and camera boom settings, then make the adjustments in this video. Select the camera boom component, then in the details panel, change the target arm length to 400. Set the socket offset to 0, 40, 40. Set the target offset to 0, 0, 25. And we're done. Compile and save.